how to add an order tracking page on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add an order tracking page on your Shopify stores in super easy and of course super simple ways. Of course, this is gonna be like a general tutorial, and of course I'm gonna show you basic bare bones and some customizations I would prefer and I would do. And of course, when that is done, you will be able to actually just go on and just create your own tracking page. Of course, for those who are not fully sure about how that goes, an order tracking page is basically the name is kind of a explanatory. Of course, it is basically an HTML code that is made to add an extra page to your shop that will let the customers actually just watch their order go from place to place. So basically, if it's in one cargo depot, when it goes to the other one, even your customer will be able to see that, of course, their package has went to that specific other place. So it's gonna be a really actually easy system to use, and it's gonna be really useful. So we will start by going to the settings button down below, and of course after going to the settings, I have to go to apps and sales channels from here. As you can see, I have all my apps here, and these apps are generally useful, but the one I actually want is Shopify App Store. There's also a develop app button. If you are an app developer, awesome. I'm not. I'm just gonna go to the App Store and of course get the app I need from there. Of course, there are a lot of apps you can use for tracking. But what I want with this video basically is to give you guys a general example of a free app that you can use. It's not a free plan. It's not a change your plan and get it for free, or free for only the users that pay Shopify money kind of thing. It's fully free. Use it however you want. Just you don't need to pay money. You don't need to do anything. Just use the app. Do whatever you want, kind of an app. I want to give you that example. And of course, if you say track by itself, you will see a lot of tracking apps and everything. But the one I want is something called Track 718. If you can search it with a space between. As far as I can see, this doesn't work properly. You should do it together like that. And if you do track 718 and maybe scroll a little and everything, you will be able to see that app there. As you can see, I can see it here. Here is my track 718 app, and I say mine, but I didn't make it. I just saw it while I was browsing the app store. When I say mine, I just mean the one we will use for the video. Of course, if it was mine, I would disclose it for the video. So I will just get the app by clicking on it and then saying install. The app is basically new. It launched this month basically, so we will just say install. As you can see, it even integrates with 2000 plus mainstream carriers and everything. And of course, they have all those nice supports. They have Chinese, they have English. It's been used really good, even though it's what, 2 years old. It's been launched 2 years ago. It's not used much apparently, but it looks like a good one. And of course, it's fully free, so that's the one we will use for the purposes of this video. I will say install, and when I say install, it will of course install it into my Shopify store and then open up its own website. After it opens up its own website, as you can see, I will be able to just use the store management page after we say next, and of course start to say using. Turn on the order synchronization function. Oh yeah, that's one of the quality of life update kind of thing. It's a system that automatically queries and tracks the orders and everything for you. So you can just like say last 7 days and say start using. After that, you'll even get like an email from them. And of course now, when the store management page opens up, you will find your store, of course, like the store URL and everything. And what you have to do here is go on. And of course, from there, you will use this part, either this part or the plugin description part. As you can see, the plugin description is the one we should like probably use for Shopify, because of course it's much easier for Shopify. And first of all, as you can see, they have like 3 steps and a document. Step 1, copy the code. I will just like copy my code and everything. And of course now, since I have already copied the code, now I can go back to my Shopify page, close this part, and in my online store, I will go to pages like this, as you can see. Then I will say add a page. Like you can name it anything, like you can name it whatever you want to like edit. I'm gonna like do it order. Let's do it properly. Order tracking. Let's just make it like this. And of course, when you do it like this, and if you go back to the, of course, track 718 page, create a page on Shopify, then paste the code when edit the page content. I will, of course, show you how that properly works. After you name your general like page and everything, there is a little button. There are like actually multiple buttons, but the one we want to use is the HTML button. I will go to the HTML version of the page, as you can see. And after I go to the HTML version, like that, I can actually paste my code here, like this, as you can see. It will put the thing here, like this. And if I press save here, the page has been created. As you can see, now I can view it on the online store. I can create another page or add it to my store's navigation. I want to view that. Of course, it's not open yet, so like I can't properly see it. But as you can see from like the numbers and everything, like this is the sample, as you can see. And I can see that sample right here, because of course this is the way it goes. So if I go to pages, now I have an order tracking page. But like I said, the shop is not open, so I can't like properly view it. But at least I know when I open my shop fully, I know that my order tracking is there. So now guys, as you can see, this is as easy as that, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give us a like and maybe even subscribe to our channel. But in any other case, I hope to see you guys in the next video as well. Have a great day, and of course, goodbye.